The link to the members area needs to be set up when a new project is created. Taking a look at that area, by clicking on it, you'll see instructions for creating a link. You can follow those instructions, which I will now demonstrate in this segment. The first thing to do here is to manage this page. Let's go to that menu that I'm pulling down, see Manage Pages there, click on that, and this is the management area for the page that we're on. If I scroll down, we can see that it's part of something called My Test Project. That's the project we created. There's 3 main pages here. This is the members area page. That's the name. We can change it here. This is a portlet type of page right now. A portlet is an application that can be inserted in LifeRay. Most of the pages in CoolHub will be portlet type pages, but this is an example of a page that needs to be a URL link. So that's possible to get from this drop-down menu. Choose URL. Now the question is, down in this URL box, what do we name this page? Well, it's pretty easy to do that. One way to do it is just to go and grab this piece of code in the URL, just copy and paste it. The way this is set up is that in the private area there is a page called members-area. But there's something in this URL that needs to be changed, and that's the word web. Web is always the public pages, and group is always the private pages. So if you just replace web with group, you're set. You could also obtain the URL from this friendly URL right here. And you wouldn't need to name it members area, because My Test Project is the root level of this folder, and that's where this page is going to point. So we've got the URL in there. We don't really need to do anything else at this point except for saving it. Once we save it, it's going to become active. It's going to replace that web content that was there, and it's going to take us to the members area. Let's do the same now. We're in the members area, and here's a link over here to the public project home. So while this is fresh in our mind, let's go to this page, and we'll put a link back to the public side. So again, go to Manage Pages. I'm going to change this from a portlet to a URL. We can copy all this, take it from here this time, paste it in the box, but change group to web. So at this point in the development of this site, and we're still our beta, this is the easiest way to do this. In time, this may be something that our developers are able to fix. But since we don't know what the project name is going to be before you pick it, it's difficult right now with LifeRay as is to come up with the links, because you can see that your project name is part of this URL. That's something that can be fixed, but for now, if you just bear with us in beta to do this. As you can see now, we're back at the public project home. If I click members area, it will take us to the members area, which has a different look, a lot more pages. And if I click public project home here, it takes us back out again. So coming up next is adding a page and adding applications.